Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert integer to a string. There are multiple ways, but in this video, we are going to generally use the three most used way. So first approach is integer dot to a string. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to declare a integer a equal to 10, right? Now we need to convert integer a value to a string. So we need to declare a string, right? A string b equal to, what we have to do? We have to do integer dot, you can see there are multiple functions are there, but we need to use to a string, right? Now who holding integer value? That is a, right? So just a, and now you can see, I have declared string b that will convert our integer value to a string. Now we need to print. So for that, what we need to do? Sys out, right? And I am going to give the name as a using, right? Now we need to print that b value. Just save and come run this program. Now you can see we are getting the value as a 10. So using this approach, you can easily convert any integer to a string. So what is our second approach? In second approach, we are going to use string dot value of. So similarly, we have to declare a string. Now I'm going to give the name as a c equal to, we have to use a string dot, right? You can see again there are multiple functions are there, but mainly we have to focus on value of. You can see, right? You can easily convert double, float, any variable like that one. So just select this one. Now again a, right? So now what will be happen? Now a string c will hold the value of a, but using a string conversion. Now we need to print. So just use this out, right? So we have used string dot value of way. So just come, give the hint like using a string dot value of. So now we need to print c, right? So just save and now you can run. So once you will run, you can see, right, we are getting the value as a 10. So till now you understand we have used two approach. First one was integer to a string, second one is a string dot value of. So another approach is like we have to use a string dot format. So how we can do? Just declare a string, right? D equal to a string dot format, right? So you can see first variable is a string format, then comma object. You can see here what parameter we have to pass. So just double click. Now what format, right? So integer, right? So integer, if you are familiar with some programming language, so mainly for integer we have to use %t, right? Now we need to use here a. So using this approach also we can easily convert. So let's check sys out. So now we have used this approach. So just come. So using format, right? Now we need to print the value of d, right? Just save and now you can run. So you can see, right? Using all these three approach, we are getting value as a 10, right? This is a way to convert any integer to a string. So if you want to learn how you can convert a string to integer, you can check in the description.